Fear in trading isn't just panic. It's that subtle hesitation, second-guessing, and self-doubt that creeps in just when you're about to click buy or sell. Maybe you've experienced it. You see a perfect setup, your analysis is solid, but your finger hovers over the button and nothing. Your brain says, "What if I'm wrong? What if it goes the other way? Let me wait a bit more." And just like that, the moment is gone. You miss the entry, or worse, you enter too late. Panic when price pulls back and exit with a loss. Let's talk about Jude. Jude is a beginner trader. He studied charts, watched all the YouTube tutorials, and saved up $500. He saw a textbook setup on EUROUSD. Everything lined up. But as he was about to enter, fear whispered, "What if you lose?" He hesitated. Price took off without him. He jumped in late, then price dropped. He panicked and closed the trade. Loss. Sound familiar? Fear does three major things to beginner traders. Paralysis. You freeze and don't take trades you should. Premature exit. You exit too early when the trade is still valid. Revenge trading. You lose, get emotional, and try to win it back immediately. But fear isn't random. It usually comes from four sources. Fear of losing money, often because you're risking more than you can afford. Fear of being wrong, driven by perfectionism. Lack of confidence in your strategy. You don't trust your own process yet. Poor risk management. Risking too much makes every trade feel like life or death. So how do you manage fear? Start by using a trading plan. Know your entry, exit, and risk before the trade. Keep your position size small. If losing $10 stresses you out, trade with $5 risk instead. Once you've placed your trade, walk away. Stop staring at the screen. And most importantly, journal your emotions. After each trade, ask, did fear affect my decision? Did I follow my plan? Let me tell you about Ada. She's also a beginner, but she journals every trade. She only risks $2 per trade and sticks to her plan. When she loses, she learns. When she wins, she documents why. She doesn't let fear make decisions. Her plan does. Ada is growing because she respects the process. Jude is stuck because he lets fear control him. Fear doesn't go away, but with discipline, practice, and risk control, it becomes background noise, not the main character. So if you're serious about trading, don't just chase strategies. Work on your mindset, your emotions, your fear, because in the end, trading is 20% technicals and 80% psychology. If this helped, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more content like this.